All right, guys, moment of truth. Time to taste our Sidecar that we just made. It is wonderful. I guess I'll sip it from the sugared rim side because that's what you're supposed to do. But you can have a non-sugared rim in case you don't want that. This is supposed to provide a little bit of sweetness to this very dry cocktail. Let's try it. Oh, yeah. So, I mean, again, I said, oh, yeah. Yes, it is. You get that cognac flavor. It's very dry. You got that orange. The lemon provides tartness, and then that sugar, if you drink from the sugared rim, you do get like that little sugar pop, which you're going to want to have. It is kind of savory, dry, tiny bit sweet, and tart. What more do you want? This right here, brunch cocktail. Anyway, that's it for me. I'm signing off. See you next week on The Educated Barfly.